Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the best mobile hotspot plans. Now, there are so many providers out there offering mobile hotspot plans, many of them owned by Verizon or T-Mobile, and they, in my experience, serve very different purposes. So you might want an ideal mobile hotspot plan that works as a complete alternative to home internet. Maybe the home cable internet you have is very slow. In that case, you can find good, reliable options with high speeds from places like T-Mobile. But maybe you need something more reliable for continuous low speed use, something that works for remote situations while you travel or as an emergency backup. And that's where plans like Visible come into play. If you just want emergency backups for times when your internet is out or there's a storm, maybe you are in an area prone to storms, Straight Talk is going to have different plans for you. And then US Mobile is good for people traveling who want a super carrier, options to connect to multiple network providers based on what is most available. So I'm going to look at each of these in a little bit more detail. And since we're here, let's start with US Mobile. So US Mobile is great because it does come with perks, but in terms of the mobile hotspot options, you have the teleporting. As I said, that's one of the biggest things that attracts people to US Mobile, is being able to teleport no matter where you are, picking the internet connection that's going to be fastest and most reliable. It is important to note that while they do have these options for teleporting, you can only pick two of the three main networks. So T-Mobile, you can get access to all three, but realistically, you're going to have, if your phone supports it, two SIM cards, and each of those will respectively connect to two of those three. Still, there are options, even with those two cards, to manually swap between the three. So that is something to keep in mind. You can find coverage based on where you are. Some of their plans are very inexpensive. You're looking at an average cost of $15 here for this unlimited starter plan. Now, unlimited data, if that's what your goal is going to obviously cost more. Nonetheless, you have the option of topping any of these plans if you run out of data. So this has 20 gigabytes of hotspot data based on the network. But if you run out, you can add more for things like emergency situations. We had a big winter storm last year that knocked out power for several weeks, and it took a long time for them to move through the city and repair all the power poles and repair the internet connection. So being able to automatically top off when relying on this for emergency situations can be very useful. This more expensive plan, of course, comes with the unlimited hotspot, but again, the speed you get here varies by plan. So that is based on unlimited premium over here. That's based on what you're using, which network you are trying. So then, speaking of topping off, we have Straight Talk. So Straight Talk is, in my experience, a better option for people who want a backup plan. You want emergency hotspot data in the event that there is a storm, and you want to be able to capitalize on high volume in a short amount of time using a prepaid plan. So here you have options for add-on plans and mobile hotspot plans specifically. So you can add a mobile hotspot plan with tablet connection, $25 per month at only 10 gigabytes. That's pretty expensive and pretty low if you're using it for regular usage, but $50 per month if you are using it as a connection for your hotspot devices and tablets, and that gives you 100 gigabytes for 30 days. So I found that this was very useful as an add-on feature to an existing plan. So let's say you already have a plan. We're looking at, we'll go up here to unlimited gold. You're paying $50 per month. You get 30 gigabytes of hotspot data. Speaking as someone who does work remotely, I have never gone through my full 30 gigabytes of hotspot data, despite trying. So In the event of an emergency or a power outage, this plan will likely be sufficient for you. However, if you have a family and you need to be able to access more data for things like video streaming or games during the storm to keep people occupied, then you do have the option of those add-on plans, adding extra data through this mobile hotspot function right here. So I prefer this as a basic backup plan. And on the note of backup plans, T-Mobile does have some prepaid backup plans. So you have device plans and phone plans. Now, if you want just a backup of data, they sell data like this. 50 gigabytes for $50, 30 gigabytes, $40, so on and so forth. So you can just add 5G data on an a la carte basis. This, to me, works best if you live in a big city. If you are looking to replace your home cable internet, maybe because it's slower than what you get with the 5G connection, you'll have to test that based on where you are. So something that you work remotely, so you work at home. You're not necessarily a digital nomad on the road, but you work at home. This is going to be a good option for you because you can get a good plan, an unlimited plus plan. Or you can get their cheaper prepaid plans. You can find something that's not as expensive, and then you can add data on an a la carte basis. Maybe there are some months that you know you're going to be working a lot more, or maybe you have meetings. That's going to work for you. Visible by Verizon, I think, is better suited for not only an emergency backup. Let's say you want home internet in the event that there's a storm, maybe you have a wildfire season like I do, or you want the option of low, reliable, continuous usage. For me, that speaks to van life, right? You're a digital nomad. T-Mobile, great if you're living in the city and you're working from home. But if you're living in a rural area, or if you are traveling, maybe you live on the road, then you want these 5G unlimited plans. Best price based on what I've seen, best option for unlimited, truly unlimited. You're not going to find additional a la carte prepaid data plans because they're unlimited. You don't need it. And I was very impressed with how reliable this was. I was able to manage Zoom calls. I was able to keep Slack open. I had my email I was checking. I was responding to people in real time. I was updating presentations, and it did not lag. So for me, that kind of steady reliability is what matters most when I'm working remotely, right? I'm not trying to get the T-Mobile fast speed in the middle of the city with bandwidth that supports a game. I'm trying to work and do so steadily throughout the day. These plans are very inexpensive. I have the Visible Plus plan. I don't have the Visible Plus Pro, but that plan does give you unlimited hotspot data up to 15. I have the 10 right here, and honestly, that's been more than I need. So there are a lot of good options out there. To me, it comes down to what it is you're looking for in real time. If you are in the city, if you want high-speed connections as a backup home internet plan or an alternative home internet plan, and maybe you want to be able to add data based on your usage, T-Mobile has different plans for you. They have their regular phone plans and they have their prepaid data plans. If you want teleporting options, especially for remote work, maybe you travel, but you have a home base, you work in an office, but they send you out every couple of weeks, or you just want an emergency alternative that's going to ping between different networks on the off chance that one is down, US Mobile is great for teleporting. Straight Talk is going to be a good option if you want to add a la carte services for your data in addition to your other plan. And that can help you with bonuses like the Walmart Plus subscription. And then, of course, Visible by Verizon is going to be great for continuous reliability. I think it's ideal for an emergency backup. You won't have any data cutoffs, which is great, especially when there's a storm and you're not sure what's going on and you need to keep everyone updated and check the news and whatnot. And it's ideal for van lifers, anyone who is a digital nomad, not just working remotely from a home base.